So first of all, we shall learn what is mother tongue. Mother tongue means a language which is spoken by a child's mother. So it is the language which a child learns first of all in his life. The process of learning this language starts when the child is at the age of 2.5 about. This language is listened by the child, by his mother, by his father, by his brother, by his sister, by his grandfather, by his grandmother, every member of his family, and even from his friends, from the neighbors, at the playground, in the market, everywhere he listens this language. So, this language is, mother tongue is learnt without any effort. It is learnt naturally. It is learned spontaneously, without any effort. And this is the language which a child never forget in his life. If we use this process in teaching English, then we can teach English very effectively. Teaching English as mother tongue. If we teach a student whose mother tongue is English, then we don't have to make any effort to teach him language. Only we have to give him contents. Because the mother tongue is already clear in the child's mind. Now, English as first language, teaching English as first language. We shall learn what is the first language. What is the first language? Start. What is the first language? In India, there are many languages. Different states, different languages are spoken. Punjabi, Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, etc. For one person, one language is mother tongue. For other, it is first language. For other, it is second language. What is first language? This is also learnt naturally, because first language is that language which is used in his school, colleges, and even from some friends. It may be same as mother tongue or may not be mother tongue. For example, in our Rajasthan, in different part of Rajasthan, different languages are spoken. Just for example, in our Jodhpur division, Marwari, in Udaipur, Mewari, in Jaipur, Shekhawati. But the first language is Hindi, because the child learns in school Hindi. This Marwari, Mewari, these are not languages actually. They are dialects. Language which has script. First language is also learned naturally, without any effort, spontaneously, because it is taught in the school from very beginning. So it is also learned by try and error method without much effort. Now teaching English as first language. Here also, if students' first language is English, teacher don't have to make much effort because this language is already clear in the student's mind. Only the teacher has to impart the content material, story or knowledge. Hmm? Now, English, teaching English as second language. Second language means this is neither mother tongue nor first language, means it is not spoken in his family, in his neighborhood, at the playground, but this is only learnt in education institutions. For example, in Gujarat, their mother tongue is Gujarati and first language is also Gujarati, because it is spoken in family as well as in school as well as in market, everywhere. So this is mother tongue as well as first language. Hindi is second language for them, and for us our mother tongue may be Marwadi, Mewadi, first language is Hindi, and second language is English. So second language is learned through effort. It is not learnt naturally, not spontaneously. Teacher has to make effort to teach it with the help of teaching aids to make it effective. English as a second language is taught in school institutions. He has to make effort in teaching this language.